So today I'm going to show you how to do a half up, half down ponytail. So, when you have that 6-day hair and you're ready for something new? Well, I got you. We're going to first section off the area that you're going to do the ponytail. Use a brush and a hair tie. Later, we will pick up some bobby pins. So you're going to brush and pull tight, but not as tight as how your mother would pull when she was angry at your dad. So brush, 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 but not all the way out because you still want to maintain some of that body that you have in your hair. So once you have your hair tie in, you can loosen up the area a little bit just to give it some volume. Next, what you're going to do is grab your handy dandy bobby pins, take a section from the back of your pony, wrap it around twice to make sure that the hair tie is completely covered with your hair. So now you're going to take some bobby pins and you're going to use them with the grooves down to keep everything secure. Use a couple of them to secure the hair on the bottom. I'm using about 3. Adjust everything again as needed. Take your brush, back brush your ponytail just a little bit, shape it up, smooth it out, and there you go. 6-day hair, don't care. Try it yourself and let me know how you like it.